Danni Bee is one of the rising stars of the Diamonds division in Booker T's Reality of Wrestling. She was also the first woman opponent for Lions Pride Sports teen sensation Mia Friday. At Battle in Bryan 3 in February, Mia would nearly score an early victory thanks to some sneaky offense. But after Friday's strong start, Oklahoma City's own would begin an extended stretch of dominance that put Mia's undefeated streak in jeopardy. Friday would show her resilience and mount a comeback, but her attempt at an MIA was countered. Danni Bee may have been one power move away from victory, but one more roll-up from Mia scored her another win. She'd proven that she could hang with the men in the ring. On this night, Friday showed she was tough enough to go toe-to-toe with the women.